I'm going to show you how to redeem your YouTube Premium code. So to get started, open any browser of your choice. Once you are there, you go to address bar at the top and type youtube.com. Freddy, hit enter or click on the search icon. You will be directed to page that looks like this. Now this is where you will enter the code you want to ready. Type it into the provided field, and when you are done, click next, which simple click your code will be redeemed, and you are also to enjoy the benefits of YouTube Premium. With a simple click your code will be renewed and you are all set to enjoy the benefit of YouTube Premium. It's the hassle-free process, ensuring you have access to ad-free videos, background play and exclusive content. So whether you receive the code as a gift or through the promotion, reading it is when is stage 4. Make sure to use the code before it expire, as promotional code often have an expiration date.